Good morning, students. As we have learnt about what is advertisement, features and format of the advertisement, and types of classified advertisement, and learnt briefly and with examples about the situation vacant in last video. Today, I will teach you more two types of advertisements. They are to let, which are for renting out of flat, office, shop, etc. and other is sale and purchase of property, vehicle, goods. So without a further go, let's get started. At first we will see what is to let. To let is when you have a space that you want to give for rent. Sometimes people want to give their space for rent and sometimes people ask for rent. So both of these types can be written by using this. So first you have to begin with wanted. If you are looking for a space, it begin with wanted. If you are giving for rent means you have to start with available. Then write about the type of other accommodation, whether it is a bungalow, flat, gated colony or it is a builder apartments. Then you also have to mention there are in square fits. Then talk about the rent. Some people could may expect, but it is up to you whether you want to give the rent or not. Then give the proximity to the markets, schools, and also indicate whether it is sun facing or east facing, west facing, etc. Proximity means how much distance it is from school, market, and how close it is to the railway station or the bus stop, etc. Then speak about the parking facilities, water and electricity. Then give the contact address and phone number. So these are the details that are expected when you are going to write an advertisement of to let. So now let's look at one example, which is accommodation wanted. Accommodation wanted. Wanted Space Metals and Minerals Corporation of India needs suitable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house. Should be located in a posh area with excellent facilities, uninterrupted water and electricity. Nearby market must. Owners please contact R. Mathur, Executive Manager. Phone number is given. So these are the details how you have to write for accommodation for rent or accommodation available. Students, now the next ad is the ad for sale or purchase of property or assets. So you have to begin this ad with for sale for purchase wanted. Then give the brief physical description of the property, mention reason for the sale with the owner going abroad, etc. Then there are three types of sale or purchase. You can use it for property when vehicles or household goods. If it is a property, you have to number of floors. Which floor it is, suppose it's a flat, then you have to mention which floor it is located. Then talk about the size and square feet, number of rooms, location, surroundings, etc. Then if it is a vehicle that you are going to sell and purchase, then talk about the color, the model, the accessories and the year of the production, modification, whether you may have any, then price, mileage. Mileage means average of a vehicle per liter or fuel and the condition, etc. Then if you are selling any household goods or if you want to buy also, give the description, give the model number, condition, price offered or expected, etc. So these are the details that you have to give for a for sale or for purchase ads. So here are two examples. The first one is for sale. For sale, DDA flat at Mukherjee Nagar, owner transfer to other city. Ground floor, 2 bedrooms, car parking available, park facing, best location, reasonable price, contact Mr. Singh, number is given. So this is a for sale for a flat. Now next one is for sale for a vehicle. For sale, available Maruti 800 LX year 1999. It is self-driven, sparingly used, scratchless, stereo, air-conditioned, beautiful. Euphoslatry, no expenses. Contact Mr. Anil, number is given. So, dear students, here we are completing our lecture. In this video, I have attached one slide of homework. Please do it in your notebook. In the next video, we will learn two new types of advertisements. Thank you.